Being able to complete this very complicated project where the scope definitely went beyond what we normally do, I think was amazing achievement by our design team, by our operations team, all with the same ambition and aim to create an amazing end result.
My name is Phil. I am the Design Visualization Manager for the Asia team. Singapore is a very young city, but I think we've evolved very rapidly. We always pride ourselves as being the garden city.
My name is Jesper, and I'm the General Manager of Companion Asia. So the task given to us was to create a playground which was nature-based. It should be able to attract children from all different types of backgrounds, as well as some interesting requirements for lighting, where we needed to incorporate some ambient lighting into the design. And we had to take ownership of the whole process, designing it, doing the drawings, constructing it, installing our playground equipment, safety certifying it, and handing it over to the client. One of the things that we proposed was to have some thrill and excitement. For example, having this very tall, large, customized play tower where you really get up high, you challenge yourself to climb up. We want to achieve something that can attract children to the playground. But this is the wow factor.
The client actually described the place as a nature playscape. So it was very natural for us to lean towards using the Robinia as the main material for the playground and to actually try to integrate as much wood as possible. I feel that it is important for kids to actually feel the warmth and the natural texture of the material itself while playing in the playground.
Becky the bunny is a mascot promoting different family values such as love, care, commitment, and respect. It was a very clear wish from the client that we could incorporate some of these family values into the design. So children, when they visit the playground, they could also learn as they play. So we work closely with the client in the design phase on our customized Becky the bunny sculpture.
We have concerns that kids, when they look at a sculpture like that, would it look friendly to them? Because we know there are kids, when they see things like that, maybe it's going to be a little bit scary. So when I worked on that, we actually have to really fine-tune like how the eyes look, if the eyelashes look a certain way, We hope that the playground would be a great meeting point for families. When we design the play space, we actually have different age zones that cater to different age groups. But we wanted parents who have kids of varying ages to actually have a chance to play together as well. When we see the kids playing on the playground, it really solidifies all the efforts that we have put into the design of the play space. Yeah, I think that's something that for me, I'm very glad to see.
I'm definitely very proud of the end result, and if we're able to do a design and build project at Gardens by the Bay, the most prestigious location in Singapore, I feel we can do most kind of projects.